Want to build an AI trading bot that actually fits your strategy, not just some cookie cutter template? In this video, we're walking step by step through how to plan, build, and test your own trading bot, from blueprint to deployment, even if you're not a full-time developer. This is Fintech Bot Focused, where we dissect, build, and automate smarter trading systems. If you're into AI, bots, and next-gen strategy design, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. Step 1. Define what your bot needs to do before you code anything. Ask yourself, 1. What market? Stocks, crypto, options, or forex? And which broker or exchange will you use? 2. What's your edge? Trend following, mean reversion, breakout, or sentiment based? 3. What are your risk rules? Max drawdown, stop loss, position sizing, trading hours? Write this down. Literally into a one-page bot spec. This is your bot's mission statement. If you skip this step, you'll end up lost in the weeds. Step 2. Choose the right stack. Here's the quick breakdown. Python, perfect for quant traders. Use Pandas, Backtrader, or Vector BT. Node.js, TypeScript, great for event-based logic and webhooks, especially crypto APIs. PineScript, ideal for TradingView alerts and visual signals. And dissect in MQL5 for building forex bots inside MetaTrader 5. Zapier N8N, low-code automation for alerts, broker execution. Pick one language to start, then you can glue others together later. Step 3. Choose your tools: data, backtest, execution, signal logic and indicators, TA-lib, or your own formulas. Backtesting: Vector BT, Backtrader, MetaTrader, or TradingView. Execution layer: use broker APIs like Alpaca, Binance, or IBKR, or route TradingView alerts through SignalStack or Traders Post. Monitoring: VPS plus Telegram alerts plus health checks. Logging and metrics: Elastic, Grafana, or just clean JSON logs at first. Pro tip: don't spend hours building a custom UI. Log first, visualize later. Step 4. Build the core logic. 1. Signal engine. Example: EMA 20, EMA 50, long bias. Add ML if desired. Train a model to score entries based on features like RSI, volatility, volume spikes, time of day. 2. Risk engine. Fixed percent or ATR based position sizing, stop loss, trailing stop, and daily drawdown kill switch. 3. Execution logic. Limit on open, scale in entries, partial profit taking, smart order routing. 4. Safeguards. 1 trade per symbol. Trade cooldowns after a loss. Max trades per day. Rule of thumb: start simple. Let results justify complexity. Step 5. Backtest, forward test, and validate. Backtest across bull, bear, and sideways markets. Simulate slippage, commissions, and latency. Forward test in paper mode for 2 to 4 weeks minimum. Key metrics to track: Sharp ratio, win rate, profit factor, max drawdown, AVG, trade duration, and ROI. Red flags: if it only works in one regime or the equity curve is too smooth. Step 6. Deploy and monitor it live. Use Docker or systemed on a VPS for uptime. Automate restarts on crash or disconnect. Real-time alerts to Slack, Discord, or Telegram. Include a manual kill switch. Bots fail too. Use logging to troubleshoot in real time. It's your radar. Step 7. Maintain, refit, and evolve. Weekly, review logs, errors, and trade stats. Monthly, refit your ML models or adjust risk settings. Quarterly, revalidate assumptions, feature importance, and regime performance. Version control: everything. Track changes like you would with software releases. Pro tip: schedule bot reviews like a portfolio manager. Treat your bot like a fund. Sample roadmap weeks 1 to 2. Build rule-based logic, paper trade, weeks 3 to 4. Add risk filters plus live test with small size month 2+. Introduce AI scoring, sentiment filters month 3+. Multi-asset logic, auto retraining pipelines start narrow, then scale once it's proven. Final tips: start with one bot, one market, one time frame. Keep your infra tight. Don't let tech debt kill you. Makaniki. Focus on execution costs as much as signals. Observe, optimize, and always maintain a human override. Quick disclaimer. Trading bots are not guaranteed to make profits. Backtest live results. Always start with money you can afford to lose. And test before going live. Are you building your first trading bot or upgrading an old one? What tech stack are you using and what's been the biggest challenge? Drop it in the comments. And if this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Fintech Bot Focused for more tutorials on AI trading systems, automation workflows, and next-gen finance strategies. Let's build smarter, not just faster.